Hi there, so I'm leaving Korea soon and I just wanted to show you where I've been living for the past year. This is a one-room apartment, which means there's literally just one room and a bathroom, but mainly one room. Starting from the outside, this is my security lock. Most Korean apartments have this. Man, I almost showed you my password. The great thing about this security lock is that you don't have to bring keys with you and you can hear when the door is locked and unlocked. Okay, moving on, this is my front door. As you can see, there's like this sticker on there. It kind of reminds me of that live, laugh, love meme, but like Korean version. And I swear it was here before I came. Don't judge me, okay? It's everywhere in this apartment. Okay, that's my umbrella stash. And on the side, we have a mirror. That's me there. And behind the mirror, there's some storage space. So I've got my toilet paper there and some shoes. Over here is the main area. As you can see, I have a queen size bed. It takes up most of the space, but the good thing is that there's some storage space underneath. So in this first drawer, I think, yeah, I'll leave all my summer clothes there. In this one, I'll leave my undergarments, which you don't want to see. Underneath, I leave my gym wear, and I don't really use it, okay? Shh. And in this one, I leave all my bags there. Let me show you my table. It has wheels, so I can move it wherever I want. I can even move it closer towards the bed. Now, I leave my ironing board on the side there. Okay, I'm sorry about what's happening with the world right now, but people in Korea use toilet paper as just regular tissue. And that's my laptop, my book. Underneath, this is where I leave all my electronics. And that's just a random chair and my laundry basket. Don't mind all of this here. These are gifts for friends and family back home. Here I have more storage space. So above, I've got dead flowers, a candle, and just random ass things. In the first drawer, I have my towels. Here, I've got pens and more electronics and receipts there. In this one, I've got books to learn Korean. And here, I think I have important paperwork that I needed to bring to come to South Korea. I'm not sure. I was too lazy to open it. And underneath, I think I have pillowcases. It's miscellaneous. I don't even know. This is my kitchen island. On top, I have my kitchenware, some fruits, bananas, and blueberries. In this drawer, it's very messy. That's what's in there. And underneath, I have my air fryer, which is awesome. I think everyone should have one. And I've got more kitchenware. On the side, I have my stash of snacks. It's glorious. And below, I have my stash of ramen, which is a household necessity. And yeah, that's my luggage and clothing rack. Next up is my kitchen. It's quite small, that's why I bought the kitchen island. But mind you, I barely even cook anyways. Okay, obviously this is my fridge. I have my microwave on top. Over here, I leave all my seasonings. This is my pots and pans, and above I have even more storage space. So I used to have a lot more snacks here, but they were expiring, so I threw them out. In Korea, there's just way too many snacks, and I just want to try everything. And underneath, you can see even more storage space. In this one, I leave my garbage bags there and I have my laundry detergent, which is left there strategically because my laundry machine is right next to it. This is what I would say is my vanity. Moving in close, this is where I leave all my makeup and skincare products. I know it's excessive. I need help. Above, I have storage space, so I just leave anything that I want there. This is where I have all of my clothes. I organized this nicely for this video. It's usually a lot more messy, but I leave my long sleeve shirts there, my sweaters, my pants and skirts and dresses. Here I have coats and jackets that need hanging, and I just dumped my puffer jacket there so I can grab it and go quickly. In this area, I usually leave my clothing rack here when I do my laundry, and it's great because I have my window right there. I can open it and just quicken the drying process. Let me show you my bathroom. This is where I leave my bathroom necessities. I've got my shower head, and that's me again. I've got my sink and my toilet. Those stickers, man, look at that face. And above, I leave my toilet paper, once again, out of convenience. And this is just an overview of my apartment. It's actually called a one-room apartment in Korea. And my workplace pays for the rent for me to stay here. It's quite small, so the good thing is that it's very easy to clean up, but the downside is that it's easy to get messy again. So the thing that you have to do is to keep organized, otherwise that floor space will be filled up very quickly and there'll just be no room to even walk anywhere. Yeah, that concludes my apartment tour. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want.